Hello everyone. Welcome to the Eastern Shore Citizen Science Coastal Monitoring Network. In this space, we explore the keys to understanding, protecting, and managing our coasts in a resilient manner. This chapter is the sixth part of a 9-part series dedicated to a fascinating topic, the coastline. The main CoastSnap instrument is a stainless steel phone holder that is installed at a fixed point with a clear view of the coast. Its function is to ensure that each photo is taken from the same position and orientation, which is key for comparing data. Before starting, the scientific coordinator of the monitoring network will define the points where the stations will be installed. These locations must have a good view of the beach and be oriented to avoid shadows or light that would affect the quality of the photo. Once the setup is complete, everything is ready for you to make your contribution. The procedure is very simple. Just locate the CoastSnap station, place your phone in the provided stainless steel holder, ensuring it fits correctly and is aligned with the predefined view. Capture a photograph of the coastline from that fixed position. The image is uploaded to a centralized database, often through program-specific social media platforms or a dedicated app. One of the main advantages of CoastSnap is that it allows us to take photos frequently, even daily. For a robust analysis, at least 3 photos per week are recommended, and it's ideal for monitoring after storms. To ensure data quality, it's important to try to take photos at the same time of day, if possible. This minimizes variability in light and tide, which helps compare photos over time. In short, CoastSnap empowers communities by combining ease of use with an infrastructure that ensures data quality. In this way, it fosters greater environmental awareness and community resilience. Thank you for joining us in this episode, and remember to check on the other parts of the series. This video was generated with AI and is part of the project Enhancing Climate Action of Citizen Scientists on the eastern shore of Nova Scotia to support multi-level risk governance, funded by the MEOPAR Knowledge Mobilization Fund.